We've just completed the makeup process, and I've taken the bib off of Janice. Want to get your thoughts on it, but I want to go through a quick review. So we did the foundation and concealer as the beginning. We did the eyebrow stencil, which makes it so much easier. Mixing the chocolate brown and the gray, a teeny bit of the black on the brow, so it's a beautiful frame for her eyes. We went into this beautiful soft color here in the kit. I'm going to raise it up so you can see it. It's a soft purple that I did as a wash on the bottom of her lid. Have you close right in through here. And then we took the crease brush and put that right on the corner. As I mentioned, women over 40, we tend to lose our crease, and so we do this corner contour where it's a triangle laying on its side. Then we took the same brush for her color under her brow, which is this contour like color, because I don't want to look like a stark white, and just put that as an umbrella around the other two to blend it together. And don't forget, you can blend with fingers in between. Then I use the eyeliner sealer. What it does is it waterproofs any of the eyeshadows. So I poured this into a little well and took our flat eyeliner brush and picked up the soft black that's in the kit, and that's her liner up top. It will not run, it won't bleed, it's um, hot flash proof. Stress proof. But when you're taking off your makeup at night, it's a lot easier to take off than the pencil. Notice I used matte shadows, mineral shadows for her brow and her liner, so that she has an understated but yet long wearing look. Then I went back into the same brush I used on her brows and put the brown and the gray as her liner underneath, because that's going to be a softer liner. You want your heaviest liner on top. We feathered in the HD mascara, which volumizes. We took the berry lipstick and just dabbed it on. Here's the difference with the dabbing as opposed to putting it on. You see the intensity is so much softer when you just dab it. So we dab that and put a teeny bit of gloss that comes in the kit right on top of that. So it gives her just a whisper of a lip color, not a big one. And then the fun part at the end, after we did concealer under the eyes, I always wait till we finish so that we don't have any fallout in there. Taking the brush over all 8 of those colors, tap, tap, and putting that on these gorgeous cheekbones. And then she gets a very understated blush color. So I want to ask you, Janice, how do you feel about this process? Is it something you'll be able to do at home, I hope?
I hope.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fun. I've had the kit for several years. I love it. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I'm minimal with makeup, but um, I do wear it, and the older I get, I feel like I need to wear it more. Um, so it's been great. I learned some things that I wasn't aware of with the kit that I really like. I love going over those 8 colors for
The right
the
blush.
blush. Uh, and like normally, I'm always going to wear lipstick, blush, and mascara. I'm usually not going to do much more than that. But I've always wanted to step it up a little bit more. I feel a little bit more comfortable in doing that now. So our next pampering kit
Yes,
time, I
yes.
want the glamour stuff.
Coming right up front.
But this has been fun. Rhoda's my friend. We've been good friends for a good while now. And so we've gotten together a few times to talk makeup, but we've not done this. And so thank you.
My pleasure, friend.
This was fun.
My pleasure. I'm
Yeah.
honored to support you. You look beautiful.
Thank you.